न्यू ईयर्स मीन्स अ न्यू स्टार्ट, एक नई शुरुआत. एंड नॉट जस्ट अस ह्यूमन अलोन, ये पेड़ भी इस नए साल के साथ नए फूल और पत्तियां उगाएगा. एंड विद न्यू ईयर्स कम्स न्यू ईयर्स रेजोल्यूशन. So I googled what is the most common New Year's resolution, and this is what I found. And I am one among these 19% people. So I thought I'd share my idea of fitness with you all, because New Year's resolution बना लेना बहुत easy है, but to achieve it is a real task. In this video, I will give you 5 points that you could use or you should follow to burn that fat and achieve your body goals. Okay, so by losing weight I mean to become fit. कुछ लोगों को वज़न बढ़ाने की ज़रूरत होती है और कुछ को घटाने की ज़रूरत होती है to become fit. I am no expert, I talk from experience and I am the one जिनको वज़न घटाने की ज़रूरत होती है. So therefore, how to lose weight? Okay, so the first one is very obvious. Workout. Do any kind of physical activity. Dancing, gym, yoga, Zumba, Pilates. Do whatever that makes you happy and sweat it out. Alright, that was number 1. And when you do that, you achieve 20% of your target. Number 2 is something if you don't follow. Number 1, that is workout, becomes 0. It becomes nil. नंबर 2 इज़ कंसिस्टेंसी. आप जो भी शेड्यूल बनाएं अपने आप के लिए उसको बहुत कंसिस्टेंसी से फॉलो करें, बिकॉज ऐसा ना हो कि आप 2 दिन फॉलो कर रहे हो और 10 दिन नहीं कर रहे हो और फिर एक और दिन फॉलो कर लिया. नो, इट डजंट वर्क लाइक दैट. You have to be very consistent. Says for doing it for 4 days a week or 5 days a week, taking a Sunday off or whatever you decided for yourself, but be very consistent. Number 3. Now this is the most important element of this entire lose weight project. Follow a diet. And this is, to be honest, the most difficult one also. Because बहुत झंझट है कि हमारे लिए अलग से खाना बनाओ या क्या बनाए, what is healthy, etc. etc. What I follow is really simple and it is sort of mixture of portion control and intermittent fasting. Okay, so I get up, I eat my breakfast. I would suggest don't stay hungry for a long period of time after getting up, because then body goes into some kind of mode. I don't remember the name, I'll write it right here. And yeah, so eat your breakfast. And post eating your breakfast, set a timer, says for 2.5 hours. So I'll set a timer, I'll start it, it'll go running. And I will not eat anything in these 2.5 hours. I will not drink anything, not even lemonade. I will just drink water. Once this timer goes up, I will eat my something. Whatever, dal, chapati, roti, whatever is made, I'll eat that. And then again, post eating, I'll set another timer of 2.5 hours, 3 hours, whatever is comfortable to me. In the first week, you could decide your portion yourself. क्योंकि in the first week we are sort of training the tummy, because tummy is like a muscle. You can train it. If you feed it less, it'll be habitual of less and therefore it'll be full in that amount of food. So that is about first week. And then again you set a timer and you eat, and you set a timer and you don't eat anything in between the time. You just drink water. Alright, that is one. Post that 1 week, what you do is you take a plate, you put it on the weighing scale, the kitchen scale, tear it, and then put not more than 150 grams in your plate. If it is dal and chawal, then together it should be 150 grams, not even 151 grams. Yeah, so do it for a week and then go to 100 grams. Don't go less than 100 grams. 100 grams is fine, and I promise you will see the result. This is the best diet I've followed, because you can eat whatever. See, losing weight is the game of calories. You have to burn more than you consume. You can even eat burger and pizza and lose weight. But the point is, then you'll have to work out extra. Even burning 1000 calories is a lot. So, says I burn 1000 calories in a day, I have to consume less than 1000, says for 800. And this difference between 1000 and 800, simple maths 200, is calorie deficit. And that is what I need to achieve every day. And therefore this portion control into intermittent fasting is important. You can eat burger but then work out accordingly. Yeah. Okay, so 1, workout. 2, consistency. 3, diet. Number 4, willpower. My lovelies, I'm telling you, it is so important. Like, you really need to have a very strong willpower to achieve even this simple diet and workout plan. And number 5, I will not tell you anything about it because बचपन से आपने इस पे निबंध लिखे हैं. You've written a lot of essays about it. I'm talking about discipline. So discipline is really important. You have to be very disciplined. You have to sleep on time. You have to eat on time. You have to work out. And you have to carry on your daily course of actions. So discipline is the key. Discipline is the set, and workout, consistency, diet and willpower are the subset. I promise you guys, if you follow this, your life is set in terms of body goals. So I am starting from today and I challenge you to start it too. I will try to make a monthly journal about it, and you also let me know in the comments below if it works out for you. Then well and good. What better, I would say. All the very best. Okay, to speed up the process, I would suggest try and cut on sugar. Try and incorporate fruits in your daily diet and protein, some source of protein or the other. Otherwise, I think I've spoken long enough. So it's a bye.